We're going to see how to create a new line type with AUTOFLUID. If your CAD software is open, close it. Open the folder, type the ligne, follow this path, then open the user.lin file. We would like to create a new line type with 3 letters. It is necessary to copy-paste an existing line type definition in the 3 letters line type section. Modify the letters carefully not to modify the numbers. Save the file.
Reproduce the procedure in the user ISO.lin file.
Open your CAD software and attribute your new line type to main layer. The line type currently used appears. Select the new one. Let's see how it looks like when we draw a new network.